Hi everyone, welcome back. I know it's been a while. Life's been super busy with so many things happening all at once. And honestly, I couldn't vlog as much as I wanted to. But I'm finally back and I can't wait to share a very special short trip with you all, a surprise family visit to Qatar, as I missed meeting my parents and my brother and family last vacation. It's been a long time since I met them all. After a whole year apart, or I say more than a year, I finally decided it was time to pack our bags and take a journey full of love and surprises. The kids were excited and so was I. We were going to Qatar, but no one there knew except my brother, without whom we couldn't make it this quick. 5 o'clock we are going.
To Qatar?
Yes.
What? I knew.
Huh?
I knew.
Huh?
I know that we haven't.
When you guys were talking, and you guys were talking about email when
I knew it.
Huh?
Welcome.
Okay.
5 o'clock. 5 o'clock.
Morning.
No. See, now the time is already 3 o'clock.
എപ്പോഴാ തിരിച്ചു വരാ?
Saturday we'll be coming back.
പറഞ്ഞ
3 days. അത് വിളിച്ചോ.
Because if it wasn't gonna be India, I could know it will be Qatar.
Okay. This is what I'm wearing today, a simple top and loose pants to make it very comfortable while traveling, especially with a baby. And my baby is sleeping behind. He is all ready, and as he was feeling very tired and cranky, I put him to sleep until we leave for the airport. My husband was discussing on the plan to surprise parents and how he will be coming to the airport to pick us up. Initially, I had planned to just fly with Leon to meet them all, but then my brother insisted to bring all of them. Even I knew it would be so hard to convince Rihan and Arman to travel without them. Their hearts would break apart had they not come with me and Leon.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome. Greeting. Marhaba. Before takeoff, please ensure that your baggage is placed in the overhead compartment or is placed underneath the seat in front of you. Your seatbelt should be fastened whenever the
Our flight from Oman to Qatar felt like the longest and shortest at the same time. As we landed, my heart raced. This wasn't just a trip, it was a reunion, just that we missed my younger brother and family, and of course, my husband too. And there he was, my brother, waiting at the airport with the warmest smile. Oh my god.
Again, you are coming. Both are the same size?
Yeah, same size. He'll come? He'll come?
Open.
It's open. Kannada.
He's trying to take your glasses.
My elder brother has always had a special bond with my kids. He's watched Rehan grow into a thoughtful young man, shares endless loves and games with Arman, and now he's completely smitten with little Leon. No matter their age, he connects with each of them in his way, and the love he has for them is just so genuine. Kids adore their mamu, and honestly, I think he adores them too, even more. Now the fun part is about to begin, driving home and surprising the rest of them there. We laughed in the car, caught up with the year we missed, The kids couldn't wait to see their cousins, and me, I couldn't wait to see the look on my parents' faces. And of course, my sweet sister in law who saw us first. They had no idea we were about to walk through that door. You must have seen a glimpse of this in the shots I published. One step into this house and time just froze. First came confusion, then disbelief, and then the warmest, tightest hugs I've had in a long time. There were tears, smiles, so many emotions. After so long, we were finally together again. Even though I met my parents last December, it was a really very short trip, and it actually made me feel like I missed seeing them for more than a year. As I flipped through the old photo album, I stumbled on these special moments. Photos from the time I was pregnant with Rehan. It feels like yesterday, that quiet excitement, the nervous joy of becoming a mom for the first time. Looking at those pictures now, it's hard to believe how much time has passed. That tiny bump is now a tall, kind 16-year-old. Now, this started off simple, just me, Nasri, and my niece Aisha playing a quiet game of bingo one evening. We laughed, we cheated a little, and we had the best time. But word got around, and before we knew it, bingo night turned into a full-on family event. For 2 nights in a row, the living room turned into a mini game hall with everyone shouting numbers, arguing over who called it first, and celebrating the tiniest wins like we'd hit the jackpot. It was chaotic, loud, and so full of love. One of those unexpected memories that stick with you forever. To make this game even more fun, my brother decided to take it up a notch. He showed up with a bunch of gifts for the winners, a few chocolates and candies. Everyone was focused, watching every number like their life depended on it. And when someone shouted bingo, you'd want them not to win. It wasn't about the gifts really, it was about the laughs, the teasing, the shared joy of being together. Those 2 nights felt like pure childhood all over again, because this game is a childhood memory for us when we had bingo buffet nights, or bingo buffet dinners, I would say, at Al Maha Club.
I want to get the boundary.
You got.
Yeah,
We can see you then. That number, give it a 5.
One of the most special moments of our trip was meeting someone who started off as a YouTube subscriber but now feels just like family. You might know them from my last Qatar visit as well. They are Shamnad Bhai and Shaniba. They have 2 lovely children, Rayan and Aisha. They invited us over for dinner, and when we walked into their home, it was like stepping into a very cute space. Their apartment was beautifully arranged, full of life, warmth, and the calm presence of so many vibrant plants. After spending some lovely time chatting and laughing, we all headed out to Zata restaurant where the food was absolutely amazing. We shared stories with each delicious bite and created a memory we'll always hold close. Later, they left with warm hugs and promises to meet again, and we came back home with full hearts and grateful smiles.
Bye bye.
The next morning was all about something and someone really special to me. I met up with my childhood best friend Samra. After all these years, nothing had changed between us. The same laughs, the same comfort, like time never passed. We headed out for breakfast together, just the two of us and little Lian. Sitting across from her, sharing stories between sips of coffee and bites of breakfast, we felt like school kids again. Only now with my baby accompanying and a lifetime of memories behind us. Old friends, new moments, and a morning I'll always treasure. My cousin and family came home that night and we had a good time spending with each other. And to end the day on a delicious note, we headed out for a late night buffet dinner at Ponderosa. Plates were full, conversations were easy, and after a long, beautiful day filled with friends, family, and laughter, we finally called it a night. Tired, happy, and so grateful. The final day in Qatar came faster than we expected. Of course, it was a 5-day visit, so it had to end quickly. Mom, with her usual love and warmth, prepared a little snack for us to take, not just for us, but also for my younger brother and his family waiting back in Oman. There was that quietness in the house, that bittersweet feeling that only comes when it's time to say goodbye. We packed our things, took one last look around, and headed back to the airport. Hearts full, eyes a little misty. And then back in Oman, we walked out of the arrivals. And there he was, my husband. And the best part, Lian's face lit up in pure surprise. He stared for a few seconds and then broke into that sweetest smile, reaching out for his dad like he couldn't believe that it was real. It felt like he only realized that he had missed his father so much. He kept staring at him. Every visit to my home or to meet my parents or parents-in-law, it reminds me that family is everything. The miles may stretch between us, but love always finds its way home. To surprises, to reunions, and the little moments that make life beautiful. Hope you all enjoyed watching a little glimpse into our life, and I hope to see you all soon again with another beautiful video, because we are moving to another house that I will definitely make it our home. Until then, take care everyone. Bye bye.